Hey everybody, Mike from Mike's in the Kitchen here. Yeah, I'm back. Hey, I know. It's good. Good to be back. Hey, tonight we're going to make something simple. Egg salad. Some people like it, some people don't. Doesn't matter. I like it. I got friends that like it, and that's what I'm making it for, is for some friends tonight. So, let's get started. So, as you can see, there is the eggs. Now, how I chop my eggs up is I have an egg slicer. Put the egg in, slice it, grab it all as one, and then put it in opposite it was before the first cut. Everything's good to go. And just scrape that little bit out. There. That's how easy it is. Now, there we go. Now, this is 7 eggs, and I'm just going to use a little bit of salt. I can see it on there, you can't. A little bit of pepper. And I'm going to take it up a notch. I'm going to use the Buffalo Wings Chipotle Seasoning. It adds a really nice flavor to it, and I always go easy with it in the beginning like that. I can't tell you how much it is because I don't know. And then I got about a cup of mayonnaise here. And then we just start mixing it all up. And I'll tell you what, I can definitely smell the Chipotle seasoning. It's really good. I made this the other day, and it just added a whole new level of flavor to egg salad. There are times that I want to put in sweet relish, but this time I'm not. So let's see here. There we go. Everything's mixed up. Grab a fork here. Bon appetit. It's good. I'm going to add a little more Chipotle seasoning to it, because it'd be nice to have a little bit of a bite to it, you know. So mix that all in really well. Okay, try one more time. Now, normally you want to let the flavor of the seasoning stay for a while, and before you eat it. But I'm going to try it now. Oh yeah. That is the ticket right there. I'm probably guessing maybe a half to 3/4 of a teaspoon. I'm guessing maybe a half. No more than half, I'm not sure. But it has a nice little bite to it. The heat comes on from the Chipotle seasoning, and then it fades off, which is really nice. So, that's how you make egg salad. I know you know how to do it, but this is how I do it. Hey, remember, food is what brings people together. Have different people at your dinner table. Share food. Have a great time. And I would say, yeah, this is throw mama from the train good. I got to figure out how to make it where it would throw everybody from the train. Suggestions are always welcome. So, until you see my mug again, have fun, enjoy the food, and we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.